we are going to unboxing Cosmo Valkyrie.
Alright guys, so in my hands is the Valkyrie, and thanks to our friend Agong that gave us this. So it's open before, and you get this wide simple winder, and then you get this launcher, and then the bay. Let me just see. This is the bay. So this is basically the top. Let it focus. So that's the top. This is the disc. It's number 12. Alright, it's number 12. And the driver is this one right here. It's kind of like the Shukurna driver, but there's like nothing inside of it. Normally there would be like a piece of metal in it, but it's empty from there. And yeah, so let's let my brother test it out. Alright guys, so the bay is to the right, so you put it in, you twist it to the right. This is how it looks. It looks pretty cool, the color is orange and everything. So I'm just gonna give it to my brother to test it.
That is the video of unboxing Cosmo Valkyrie, and see you in the next video.